Hello, this is Joshua, and I'm going to give a demonstration of a feature called reflection, which I've just recently implemented. Um, Here I will show you how to turn it on. If you go into the settings for the chat and you search downward for enable chat reflections, you can tick that checkbox, and then enable chat reflections is turned on. Now, if you go to the Translator's Copilot, you can ask it a question such as how to lead someone to Christ, or whatever question such as that's referencing the text that you're trying to translate, or whatever. Right now I'm going to turn on the debugging view so that you can see the partial pieces of the reflection. So I'm going to do Control-Shift-I. So that brings this up down here, and you can see some previous stuff that I had going. I have reflection typed in as a filter so that I get reflection stuff. And I'm going to go ahead and hit go. And so it goes ahead, and this is the initial response. To lead someone to Christ, you can follow these steps, and it has several points of how to lead someone to Christ. And as soon as it finishes the initial response, it begins reflecting. You can see the little spinner here, and it says reflecting. And here we go. Down here, reflection iteration 1. It has 3 bullet points of improvement. Include brief note on the role of the Holy Spirit in the conversion process. Explore the importance of listening and understanding someone's background. Add additional scriptures or references that highlight the importance of the Holy Spirit. Okay, so it got a little bit of the same thing in there twice. And then here is the text with those implementations. So you can see here's a Bible reference, and then here's a second round where it has improvements. Mention the improvements of living one's faith as a witness to strengthen the evangelistic response. Include additional scriptures. Elaborate more on engaging the person's specific beliefs or potential objections. And then here it is run again. And then it goes through a condensing phase where it distills it back down, because each time improvements are added it balloons in size, so distilling it back down helps. And so then that gets sent back here, and we have our update. And since I have doctoral grading turned on, a grade gets kicked out off of the final reflective response. So that is the implementation of the feature.